Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. For my theological formation and final years in the seminary, I was under the Jesuits. And the Jesuits taught us Ignatian spirituality. And so we held many retreats, every year, silent retreats. But I remembered very well one retreat I had as a seminarian. I don't know, I just don't know what to feel at that moment. My heart was very heavy. I entered the retreat with so many things in my heart, full of anxieties, uncertainties, and worries. Basta, mabigat po ang aking puso at kalooban. When I arrived at the retreat house, I immediately went to my room and put my bag on the bed. I didn't unload my stuffs. Usually kasi ilalagay na natin sa cabinet, di ba? Yung mga shirts na gagamitin natin. But I didn't. Hindi ko po inilabas yung mga damit ko sa bag, pati yung mga gamit ko. Pag may gagamitin ako at kukunin, doon lang sa bag. Hindi ko inalis. Why? Because I'm not sure if I could finish the retreat. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam kung matatapos ko yung 8-day retreat na iyon. Feeling ko kasi, I just want to go home the next day or maybe 2 days. And I don't want to burden myself by arranging my things and stuffs again. So, sa bag na lang. Doon na lang siya. But my dear friends, our gospel today is about God's care and providence for us. How useless and irrelevant are the worries and doubts in our hearts. Of course, the Lord does not mean very literally those things. Di naman niya sinabing, wag mo intindihin kung ano yung kakainin mo. Of course, we will think of what we eat, or in the morning, what we are going to wear. The Lord does not mean it literally. Pero sabi ni Jesus, kung mga ibon nga, hindi ko pinababayaan, kayo pa kaya? Kung ang mga damo nga sa lupa, naaalala kong palakihin at palaguin, kayo pa kaya? Kung ang mga bulaklak sa paligid, inaalagaan ko, kayo pa kaya? My dear friends, for sure, while listening to the Mass today, or attending the Mass today, some of you, if not majority, carry burdens, worries, and anxieties in your hearts. It's okay. That's completely fine. The Lord simply tells and reminds us today how immense and great His love for all of us. Sila nga, hindi pinababayaan ng Diyos. Tayo pa kaya? And so cast your fears, your hopes, your worries, your burdens, even all your anxieties to the Lord right now. Malay natin, nandyan lang naman siya, hindi lang natin nararamdaman palagi. The gospel today, is also the first gospel reading that my retreat director gave me to pray. Miraculously, the next day, I felt better. Pero yung mga gamit ko, hindi ko na naalis sa bag. But nevertheless, I finished the retreat, and it was really a very fruitful one. Amen.